Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to install and configure Active Directory service on Windows Server 2022. First, open your Start menu and click on Server Manager. Then click on Local Server. First of all, you need to change your computer name. I changed my computer name as FCT. After that, we will need to restart to apply these changes. I will restart my PC now. After the successfully restart process completed, we need to go back again to Server Manager. Go to Local Server. Then we can see our computer name was changed. Now we need to add static IP for our DNS our machine. Right click on Ethernet, go to Properties. First of all, disable IPv6 and click on IPv4. Then apply static IP based on your network connection. Then add subnet, also default gateway. For this time, I will add loopback interface as my DNS server 127.0.0.1. Now click on OK and refresh. Then you will see apply will changes. Apply. Next, click on time zone and change it to your time zone. Now refresh and all the basic configuration are done. In the left panel, go to Manager, click on Add Roles and Features, click on Next, click on Next, click on Next, select Active Directory Domain Services, click Add Features, click on Next, click on Next, click on Next, then click on Install. This will take some minutes based on your computer performance. If you can allocate more specification like 4 GB RAM, 50 GB of hard, this will take less minutes. My installation process is over. Now click on prompt this server to domain controller. If you forget that, click on flag icon in left side bottom. Click on prompt the server to domain controller. Then add new forest. Click on add new forest. Then you need to create domain. I will create kln.ac.lk. Click on next. Then you need to add password for your DSRM. I will add my password. After that, confirm password. Click on next. Click on next. The NetBIOS domain name will auto detected. You can see it after few minutes. After that, click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Then there is verification process is running. There is no any error. Then click on install. Don't think about this warning mark. Click on installation. Also, this process take some few minutes. You can see our basic installation process and configuration is over. Now we need to restart our machine to apply these changes. After machine restarting, we can see there is our configuration and installations are successfully completed. This restart process also gets some more time. After the restart process, you can see domain will apply. Go to the server manager and refresh it. After the refreshing, you can see there is two services are running. First one is Active Directory and second one is DNS. Now we need to configure our DNS server. Click on left side tools and click on DNS. Then you can see there is folder that name as FCT. Click on that folder and expand it. Then there is forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. Now we need to add new zone, add new reverse lookup zone. Click on new zone. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on IPv4. Next. Now you need to enter your network ID. Only your network ID based on your subnet mask. Click on next. Click on finish. After that, reverse lookup zone process will running. Now click on forward lookup zone. Then expand KLN AC.lk. Go to the bottom and click on FCT. Next, tick on PRT record and apply changes. Now we need to verify our DNS configuration are correctly applied. Before that, go to the properties and change the DNS server address to your domain controller address. Now click Windows plus R and type CMD. Now type nslookup kln ac.lk to verify our forward login are correct. Then you can see our forward login are correct. Now we need to check our reverse lookup. Type nslookup and IP address of our domain control server. Then you can see our reverse lookup configuration now okay. Thanks for watching.